Luna's Magical Garden Adventure, a story for curious children where gardens comes alive at night. Luna is a curious little girl who loves her garden. Every day she waters her plants and watches them grow. During the day, the garden is full of bright flowers and buzzing bees. The sun shines warm and golden, and butterflies dance from bloom to bloom. But when the night falls, Luna's garden wakes up in a magical way. Luna meets lots of new friends who loves the garden as much as she does. Daisy the flower, Flicker the firefly, Benny the bee, and many more magical garden friends. With her new friends, Luna explores every corner of the garden. Daisy, Flicker, and Benny light the way as they walk along the glowing path. They find a sparkling pond where frogs sing lullabies. The water glows softly and little frogs croak sweetness songs under the moonlight. The trees whisper stories of the stars above. Their gentle voices tell tales of moonlight and dreams, filling the night garden with wonder and magic. Oh no! The garden feels sleepy and droopy. The flowers hang their heads low and leaves look sad. Something is wrong in Luna's magical garden. The garden wakes up, glowing bright and full of life. Smiling flowers, happy bees, and twinkling lights fill every corner. Luna learned that caring and friendship make magic happen. Be curious and ask questions. Take care of nature. Friend helps. Luna promises to visit her magical garden every day and night. She hugs her favorite flower and whispers, I will always take care of you, friends. Magic is all around us when we care and pay attention. Luna smiles as the moon shines over her glowing garden, reminding us that the wonder is always near. What magical adventures will you find around you? Step outside, look closely, and let your curiosity lead the way, just like Luna. The end. Thank you.